Bonjour.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Why, when the whole world's beauty was created for the Holy Prophet ﷺ, why did he never see so much of his beauty? For example, the sea world or the scientific progress.
So she says that all the beauty of the whole world was actually created for the Holy Prophet ﷺ. So why it so happened that he was not able to see all that, like the beauties in the sea and other things?
How do you know that he didn't see the beauty of all that? How do you know that? The way he was completely drawn to the beauty of God indicates that he must have seen his beauty spread all over the world. It was through that beauty he went into God. So the premise of this question is wrong. You think that because he didn't see Norway, so he couldn't understand the beauty. He must have understood the beauty not only of this world but the whole universe. And every probe into the nature of the beauty, not the physical beauty but the nature of the beauty, must have always led him to God. Otherwise he could not have been drawn to God so powerfully. So that is one answer, but the other is that Allah knows best what he was shown in his vision and his mental, tour of the world at large. All that he witnessed and experienced is not always covered by traditions. On the contrary, it can be proved beyond a shadow of doubt that much of his life remained uncovered. And the traditionalists were only interested in jurisprudence. That is a very small aspect of Rasulullah's character. So, as such, I believe that his universe remains hidden from us. Only it becomes expressed when we see his regard and love for God. Then we know he must have seen something. Understand?
Yes.
Good. From another point of view, I can prove it with the help of the Holy Quran, that he was shown things which are far beyond his capacity as an Arab to see. Even the phenomenon occurring at the top of the mountains, when because of lightning the rain began to fall, and so many other phenomena of nature which was inconceivable at his time by any Arab mind. So read all those verses of the Holy Quran. We speak of nature, and somebody is traveling in a calm sea on a boat, and suddenly it changes. The atmosphere begins to change, the wind begins to blow from different direction and so on and so forth. And lightning as it occurs, and the mountains begin to flow with water, with channels running full in all directions and things. It's an amazing description of every phenomenon of nature which the Quran offers. So what was revealed to him, how could he not have visualized it? It was revealed to him in a manner which I believe also presented a picture to his eye. Not only mental vision, but also he must have been shown these things happening. So this is, I believe, the hidden part of Rasulullah. only Allah knows what a great prophet he was.